Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RAD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday on Monday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And today, update's not necessarily the right word. Probably confirmation would be more of an accurate term. And that main point of confirmation comes via the area of support I talked about on Monday, which is that green line right there at essentially 80 cents. And you can see that after the gap up today, there was that pullback. But great to see that this area did indeed hold as support. So 80 cents, like I said, was projected to be a potential area of support, and today was confirmed that there were indeed buyers hanging around down there that wanted to buy and did buy. So a good little sign of strength right there. The other thing to keep a close eye on is that not that far below, you now have the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. And that's going to be the next level to keep an eye on in the event 80 cents can hold. However, as it stands right now, they're essentially the same, because you can see the value of the purple line right now is at 79 cents and this level is at 80. So basically this is not a do or die level of support, but certainly from a technical perspective, a level that you would want to see hold strong, because if the price does drop below it, then not only has 80 cents failed as support, but then now you have the price down below that purple line too, which again is not a total deal breaker, but just not the most ideal situation. On the flip side of things though, if the price does get the nice bounce upwards, there does seem to be a little minor area of resistance that has shown up right here this afternoon at 82 cents. So 82 cents is going to be that initial level. If the price can push up through there, then it just goes back to the level I talked about on Monday, up there at 84 cents. But really, before you start talking about battle or doing battle with the 84-cent mark, the price is first going to need to prove itself in the short run. Again, what do I mean by prove itself? Well, I'm quantifying that statement prove itself as getting up above the 82-cent mark. So we'll see how this one continues to play out. Yeah, today the pullback was kind of rough, but you don't have to go back to any other charts or talk theory or anything like that. Here's a pullback that proved to be very healthy. Here's a pullback that proved to be very healthy. So pullbacks are part of the game, and as long as things don't spin out of control, then everything is still perfectly fine. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.